We are speaking about Kabbalistic meditation. I will give you example how it goes. We are starting with relaxation. If you have your own one that you are used to, do your own process. If you don't know one, we are starting by sitting comfortably, not crossing our hands and legs. The back should be straight but not stiff. We are breathing in the following way: inhaling through the nose, exhaling as comfortable for us. We are starting with a few deeper breaths than usual. With every inhale, we are bringing light energy to our muscles. With every exhale, we clean ourselves from stress and any type of negative energy. At the beginning, we are thinking about the muscles around the eyes, and we are asking them to relax. With every exhale, we are releasing the stress and the pressure from the muscles around the eyes. All the muscles of the face, the back of the neck, shoulders, hands, chest and belly, and all the inner organs. With every exhale, we are cleaning our organs from negative emotions. The feeling of pain, anger, sadness, any type of negative emotions. We are cleaning it. We are removing it from our inner organs with every exhale. Hips and legs, all the way down. We are bringing light and removing negative energy, relaxing the legs. Our back, the spine, kidneys, and all the body. In our mind, we are traveling to a place where we love to be, a place of positive energy. In Israel, we have many holy places that are charged with powerful positive energy. We can visualize ourselves over there. It can be a place also in nature, a place that we love to be, along the beach or in a forest. Or it can be our own home, on our own couch, that we are feeling the positive energy. And we are letting ourselves to feel, when we are letting that energy to surround us and to help us to feel relaxed and protected. We are asking for the upper light of God to emanate through the letters, the holy name that is appearing now on the screen. So for a split of a second, open your eyes, visualize the holy name that appears with the Hebrew characters. Name for protection. And close your eyes again. We are asking through these characters the frequency, the light of God that is appearing with the frequency of protecting us, protection. And we are asking the light to come and to surround us, to envelop us, and to visualize ourselves like inside a balloon of light in the white color. We are asking the light to surround us, and we see ourselves in a balloon of light. And we are asking again the light to appear through the same characters, but now with the blue color. And we are asking and visualizing that this light is surrounding us as a second layer above the white layer. So it's like we are inside two balloons, one of white light and surrounding it blue light. We are asking to be protected physically, emotionally, spiritually. In the same way, we are asking energy of protection to everyone that are important to us, to our family members, friends, and we can envelop each one of them with white light and blue light for protection. The next step, we would like to increase our ability to channel healing energy to ourselves or to others. Therefore, we are visualizing the characters that are appearing now on the screen. Open your eyes for a split of a second to look at them. And we are visualizing them on our palms, right and left. And we are asking that the light of the Almighty will emanate through these characters into our palms. And we are asking that this light will open the channels of healing, or will strengthen the channels of healing that we have in our hands. And we are visualizing balls of light being created, sitting in our right and left palms. When we have these balls of light, we are directing this light to ourselves if necessary, if needed, and to others. And the light of the Creator, the light of the Almighty are coming through the letters, through the characters, through our palms, and we are directing it as a ray of light to people that are important to us, to whom we wish to send healing energy. We can channel it generally to the entire being of the person, or we can channel it to a specific area that we know that needs healing. With this light that comes from these characters, we can meditate to remove blockages, energy blockages, in the metaphysical being of the human being, us or our others. And the moment that we remove blockages of energy, the natural energy of the body and the soul will flow through the entire soul and body. And this by itself will help to heal the soul and the body. We can do this for several minutes. We can do it for a minute. We can do it for a few minutes. We can do it for half an hour. It's up to you to feel good with what we are doing and how long to continue that. At the end of the process, we are thanking the light, we are thanking the Almighty. We are asking that this light will continue with us, the protection energy and the healing energy. We are visualizing ourselves again in the place that we started with, the place of positive energy. From there we are in our imagination coming back to our home or to the place where we are sitting. Breathing again a little bit deeper, feeling our hands, our legs, feeling our body, and eventually opening our eyes.